Hi guys, welcome to another vlog, and today I'm not selling you any property. It's just a small vlog. We are on our way to Jabal Jais right now. It's Sunday night, and this guy, Mr. Gaurav, he used to be my roommate before, and he called me at 9 and he told me that I'm coming to pick you up. We're gonna have tea in Karama, and and we ended up in Jebel Jais. It's still half an hour, and we have stopped at the petrol station to eat something. So, yeah, by the way, I have a True Broker t-shirt now. So, you guys are True Broker. And we're gonna check something out. Apparently, we missed McDonald's and KFC on our way. Now, we're gonna eat something packed. क्या खाना है भाई? No, bro, healthy. You're just coming from the gym. Probably we're gonna have coffee. And one more thing, it's Sunday night, so tomorrow I have meetings and things lined up. I have to reach office by 10 anyhow. So I don't know at what time we're gonna reach back home. We haven't reached Jebel Jais yet, and it's already 11:30 right now. So let's see. He owns the business, so it doesn't like matter for him. Gaurav, tell me one thing. You have your own company. You have your own business. So it won't matter if you go at 12 or 1.
I'm still gonna go at 10.
So, but I work at some place. I have to be.
Tomorrow. Gym tomorrow morning. Change day, just in Thursday.
So I have to be in office. I hope my boss is watching the vlog. If he is not,
to be a relative.
who happens to be my uncle also. So yeah, as I was saying that we are going to Jabal Jais, and it's almost 2 hours from Dubai, and it's like 50 minutes from Ras Al Khaimah. It's a mountain area, and people go usually there for the sunrise, but apparently we're not gonna stay for that long. As I mentioned, I have office tomorrow, but we are at the Knock petrol station. It is around 30 minutes from the Jabal Jais stop, and this is the car we are in. Oh shit. So yeah, we're going there. It was a random plan, and so I thought I would make a vlog out of it, and try to get some views. And this is the t-shirt that I'm wearing. There was a True Broker run by Bayouth on last Friday, 21st, and I completely forgot about it, and they sent me a t-shirt on Thursday. So apparently I wanted to go on Friday, but I missed somehow. So that's the thing about this t-shirt. It's really cool because it says True Broker. I hope this 5K wouldn't be there, but yeah, it comes with the Bayouth branding as well. What you just did, can you tell the audience? So apparently he thought that cup would come from inside, so he pressed the button for the kadak tea and the tea got spilled. Now he's taking a small cup. Arey bhai, take a big one, no? It's not. How's this gonna work? Now it's fine. Now it's fine. We should have rather stayed in Dubai only.
We are two people.
We are
We
going
shouldn't
to
have come here.
This is the second cup we are wasting. How is it? Good? I'm gonna take one. Guys, this is how you actually fill your tea properly. Look what he has done. Cheers. Guys, just for the context, he used to be my roommate before. He is Mr. Gaurav Daswani. And Gaurav Daswani, can you explain it to the public? What do you do for a living?
I own a travel agency in Nigeria, Dubai, Ghana.
So he is the owner of a travel agency. He's, I think, 1 year older than me, and he owns a travel agency. He owns this car, and he is the long time customer that I'm aiming for.
And tough to close.
Tough to close. Obviously, being a Sindhi, it's tough to close. It's not easy to take money out of Sindhi's pocket. I am a Sindhi, I know that. But yeah, when they give. Bhai, we have finally made it to Jabal Jais. और ठंड तो काफ़ी लग रही है भाई. बहुत ठंड है भाई, बहुत ठंड है. बट हाँ, हम थोड़ा अच्छा व्यू एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे थे. आई डोंट नो आप लोगों को दिख रहा है कि नहीं, बट दिस इज़ द व्यू. और लोग यहाँ पार्टी कर रहे हैं भाई. It was an amazing drive. The road signs says that we are at 5,000 meter, but I don't think so. It's not that high. Although it was a 40-minute uphill drive. And Badshah is playing at the background. I don't think so they're gonna put copyright. And this is the last point. After that there's a checkpoint, so you cannot go after that. That's the valley road. We did get 3-4 shops in middle, so we're gonna eat something there. So how much time did it take for us to come from Dubai?
Close to 2 hours.
2 hours, and half an hour was a break, 15 minutes. But yeah, 2 hours you can come to Jabal Jais at 3 or 4 in the night and enjoy the sunset from here.
And it's a clear sky.
And it's a clear sky, by the way. You can, I don't think so you can see sky stars, but it's amazing, like literally amazing, guys. So we are at Jabal Jais, as you know, and there's a group of Indian people who are just enjoying and making food. And apparently it's Sunday night and still there are lots of people on the hill, and the location is really amazing. Now I've started feeling cold. As you can see, I'm wearing just shorts and this Bayou t-shirt, which is full of Cheetos right now, because we have eaten a whole big pack of Cheetos, me and him, along with the cheese sandwiches. It's too cold, bhai. It's too cold. But yeah, the stars in the skies.
It was worth it.
It was worth coming. So guys, we have made it. We are at a stop. It's a cafeteria, SMSMH, and it's like in the midway of the mountain, and we're gonna eat something. So I think there are only 2 cafes here, and there was one in the middle while we were coming back, so 3, and my ears are completely gone, like due to the pressure or what, I don't know. But this guy is a vegetarian now, and we are hoping, just like in India we get Maggi on mountains. If we get Maggi, it would be crazy. Guys, whatever it is, it might seem like we're in India on a dhaba, but this is UAE, and like I never feel cold in UAE even in winters, but today it's in Jabal Jais, it's really cold here. And yeah, now the flash is on, and this is the edge of the cliff. Guys, I'm telling you, you should try this once, a night drive to Jabal Jais. It's really amazing, passing through Ras Al Khaimah. If possible, first go to Ras Al Khaimah, then come to Jabal Jais around 3 or 4 in the morning and wait for the sunrise. It's gonna be amazing. It was just like a random tour for us, but we're gonna come here again for sure. And I think the kebab's ready almost, and the guy is not liking the Maggi, the noodles which we ordered. I don't know why I keep calling it Maggi. Maggi is a brand. The actual thing is noodles. But yeah, I can still see people going up. Probably they're gonna do camping and all. See, they're like jumping out of their cars and everything. It's not safe, so yeah, it's a good way, like a good stop. And I don't know what I'm saying. It's just a random vlog. I usually sell property on this channel, but yeah, I'm promoting UAE in general, whether it's Abu Dhabi, Ras Al Khaimah, Dubai, or any place. So I thought, why not show you how Jabal Jais experience is at night. We're gonna come here in the morning with someone, obviously. So yeah, I'll see you in the next vlog. Now we're gonna go home and sleep and start the day tomorrow. And once again, you guys are true broken now, so If you're also planning to buy a property in Dubai, Ras Al Khaimah, Abu Dhabi or Sharjah, hit me up. I'll get you the best deals. Good night. Bye bye.